Hi, my name is Koima. I'm pretty sure we all know what's going on in the AI space, so I'm not going to bore you with all that information. But I would like to bring your attention to something very important. These companies build massive AI models with billions of parameters, but what they also do is that they try to build or create smaller models that are compatible with local small devices, right? Okay, so why does having a locally installed model matter? Well, first of all, there is a complete control over your own data, and it is very important. When everything runs locally, your sensitive information stays right on your desktop or on your own device. Plus, local models means you get faster responses without the delays of sending data back and forth to the cloud. Today, I'm going to show you an open source AI tool that allows you to access these smaller models on your own computer. This would help you to do your own research while keeping things safe, secure, and super efficient. So in this video, we'll go through the complete installation and deployment process using Docker. I'll explain every step so that you know exactly how to set this up on your local machine. You will see how easy it is to transform your system into a smart AI driven research assistant ready to help you manage and understand your documents.